what's up guys? Welcome back. Just a quick update video. We've got the Benaraby all bike drags coming up on the 1st of August. So just under 4 weeks away. Just got off the phone to the boss, Mark, and he's given me the go ahead to build a brand new Lowrider S with a 128 cubic inch APE in a brand new Lowrider S. So that's awesome. Well done, Mark. You're a bloody champion, regardless of what anyone else says. But look, all jokes aside, between the dealership here that I work for, Darling Downs Harley, and the other dealership in Gladstone, Harbour City Harley, Mark owns the two of them. So between us, there's going to be a little bit of friendly rivalry there, a bit of a grudge match, so to speak, at the drag. So yeah, check it out. If you guys haven't seen any of the stuff from Alpha Performance Engines, check out their Instagram and Facebook page. They've got some awesome stuff. You know, most of the stuff's over 140, 150 horsepower, all that sort of thing. So head over and check their stuff out. But yeah, as I said, Mark's given me the go ahead to build a 128 cube Lowrider S that I'm going to be racing up there at Benaraby. So I'm going to take you through in the next video coming up. I'm going to take you through the build, doing the build, obviously getting it on the dyno. And hopefully even getting down to Willowbank Raceway. That's only about 45 minutes drive from where I live.
Are people so unkind?
It's a good question.
Well, look here.
So I believe they're only doing the test and tunes on Saturdays at the moment. So hopefully I'll get it built, cruise down there, do a couple passes, do a few tests and check it all out, make sure it's all ready to go. And we're going to take, yeah, as I said, I'll take you through that. So the build, get down to Willowbank, do a few passes, and then the video after that will be at Benaraby. So there'll be plenty of live action up there, checking it all out. There's lots of bikes show up there, so it's going to be a huge event. As I said, a bit of a friendly grudge match between myself at Darling Downs Harley and Mark, Sam and the boys up there at Harbour City Harley. So it's going to be cool. It's going to be a lot of cool stuff coming up. So yeah, if you don't want to miss any of that, you know how to drive YouTube, press and click all the things that you've got to do to get, you know, all your notifications and all that jazz. So get onto that, do it now, and we'll see you guys in the next video.